Instead of throwing it away, place it under your window. Your bills will be lower. Take some aluminum foil from your kitchen and tear off a piece. Press it gently onto the window frame and smooth it out. Once everything's in place, close the window so the foil sticks firmly. It's a quick and effective way to improve insulation, and it'll help lower your heating bills. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? Especially in sub-zero temperatures. Take out the insoles from your winter shoes and trace them on thin cardboard. Then, cut them out. Take aluminum foil. Wrap the cardboard insole with it. It's important for the shiny side to be facing up. Insert the prepared insole into the shoe, under the standard insole. Cardboard insulates from the cold. The foil reflects the heat from the foot and helps maintain a higher temperature in the shoe. This simple trick prevents feet from freezing even in sub-zero temperatures. It works especially well for shoes with thin soles. Set your radiator dial like this, and you won't go bankrupt. Everyone wants to pay as little as possible for energy. I'll show you how to adjust the radiator dial and properly set the thermostat. The radiator thermostat allows you to control the temperature in each room. The dial has numbers from 0 to 5, and sometimes you'll see a snowflake symbol. This symbol means that the thermostat keeps the temperature between 6 and 8 degrees Celsius to prevent the water in the radiators from freezing. Number 1 on the dial means a temperature of 12 to 13 degrees Celsius, ideal for garages, basements, or storage spaces. Number 2 represents a temperature of 15 to 16 degrees Celsius, which thermostat manufacturers recommend for bedrooms. Number 3 on the dial corresponds to a temperature between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius, suitable for kitchens, living rooms, and other areas where you don't sleep. The next number, 4, represents a temperature between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius, recommended for bathrooms. Now, you might be surprised, but number 5 indicates a very high temperature of 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, which is not recommended in homes unless absolutely necessary. So, when you want to quickly heat your home, never set the dial to 5. Set it to 3. This way, the thermostat will maximize hot water flow with greater efficiency, helping you avoid high bills. Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is. Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use, then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle. Before the heating season, pour this simple mixture onto your radiator, and it will be clean and smell like new. Many people forget to properly prepare their heaters for winter, and throughout the year, a lot of dust accumulates inside them. However, you don't need to disassemble the radiator to clean it. Just pour a washing solution through it. In a measuring cup or jug, add 2 tablespoons of laundry powder, which effectively removes dirt. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of warm water and mix well until the powder dissolves. Place a bowl under the radiator and then slowly pour the mixture in so that it flows through its inner parts. The dirt that has accumulated there will start flowing into the bowl immediately. This is the best way to thoroughly remove dust, and the warm air from the radiator won't spread dust mites, which allergy sufferers will particularly appreciate. Put a bag on your radiator, and the air will be cleaner than ever. Radiators rarely get thoroughly cleaned, which is a mistake since they collect a lot of dust that later spreads into the air. This is especially harmful to allergy sufferers. Narrow gaps and limited space between the radiator and the wall make cleaning difficult, but it's worth doing regularly to prevent health issues. Luckily, there's a quick and effective way to remove dust from inside the radiator without even taking off the cover. All you need is a trash bag and a hairdryer. First, make sure the radiator is cool. Then, attach a trash bag to the bottom of the radiator using tape. Poke a few small holes in the bag with a needle. This is crucial to prevent the plastic from melting. Now, turn your hairdryer to maximum power and direct the airflow from the top of the radiator. The dust will be blown out and trapped in the bag instead of spreading into the room. With this simple trick, your radiator will not only look cleaner, but also work more efficiently.